Hi there, let me give you a tour of the CGP Revision Hub for GCSE languages. You can use the CGP Revision Hub alongside your book. There are lots of QR codes throughout the book which link to your online revision, or you can go straight to the CGP Revision Hub through the CGP website. In the Hub, we have quick quizzes which test you on each section. They're a great way to practice your vocab and grammar. And don't worry about any wrong answers. Just go to your mistakes quiz and you can try them again. If you're feeling confident in a section, have a go at a revision summary test. These are made up of challenging questions to see if you really know your stuff. If you can do them all, you can be sure you've covered everything. We've also got lots of online audio. You can listen to conversations between native speakers and try plenty of listening questions to practice your listening skills. If you want to download some extra useful bits, like vocabulary lists, just head over here. And it's really easy to switch between higher and foundation. So, buy your book now to access all this brilliant languages revision in the CGP Revision Hub, and we'll deliver it the next working day. Fantastique!